Solid-state media like thumb drives are an excellent place to save your pictures, your old information, but unfortunately, if they don't get power in X many years, then the information slowly starts to get wiped and erased. I really need to put a PSA out there to say if you have thumb drives, oh geez, CDs, DVDs, um, hard drives are okay. Regular hard drives, solid state drives, SSDs. You got to get those things plugged in. We got to get these things plugged in every few years, except for the CDs and DVDs. CDs and DVDs have their own stages of data rot, and I believe it's 10 years. And after a certain point, your discs aren't going to actually play. I'm not sure if you're the type of person that actually watches your DVDs and your Blu-rays. I don't know who has time for that kind of stuff anymore. Lord knows I don't. There's a million things you got to do, right? But geez, maybe that's why ladies have a hard time sitting down with me. I just don't sit. You got to keep moving. You got to keep moving. Oh geez, maybe I have ADHD. Maybe I have autism and all those fun things. Oh, TikTok would love me, right? But legit, even if you have a hard drive, I'm pretty sure the data will rot in about 20 years. So if you have external media, plug the stuff in just for maybe an hour. Even if you're literally just taking a thumb drive and plugging it into a power unit, just plug it in. Because otherwise your information might go missing. I know a lot of people that like to plug their telephones in or sorry, keep the pictures on their telephones and put their telephones into storage. If you're the type of person that does that, then you really, really need to just plug it in, guys. Plug it in, plug it in. Anyways, that's it from me. Tell your mom, tell your grandma, because grandma might still have some DVDs that have pictures on them, or CDs, because back in the day when you got things developed, you had CDs, and at the end of development phase, you had CDs, and as an added thing, you could purchase a CD, and blam, it was that nice little extra thing, right? Nice little extra thing. Um, Actually, that brings me to what is the value of a picture? There was times when I could not get information off of a hard drive for people. But then 20 years later, and like not 20 years, but 2 years later, geez, felt like 20 years later, I managed to get it and they just didn't freaking care. They didn't even care. It's like, whatever, it's gone. It's gone. Bye. All right. All right. All right. Anyways, that's it for me tonight. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.